little. I think I can't hear it from the inside. Okay, thanks, bro. My channel again, it's Moments in Life. We had the breakfast run. What is it called? Like, what's the name of this thing?
Traction off. Traction off.
Yeah, whatever that is. Back again. So after this, we're going to like a racetrack or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. So we'll meet you there. Peace out. Make sure that you subscribe. Guys, we back. How's it, man? Tell me, what's your YouTube channel name?
Mubuso M.
Mubuso
Yeah,
M,
guys. Just check it out, Mubuso M. Please subscribe there.
And I'm a big fan.
Like 1,000 subscribers there.
Hey, bro, come on now. Get this guy to 1,000 subscribers. You know, I watch your channel every week. Every time you post, it's just like,
Yeah, man.
yeah, you got some good content.
Put some quality content. Man. Check it out.
Check it out. Ah, is that an M3? Sheesh. Wow. Which RS3 would you pick here, guys? I don't know. I mean, I like that. How's it, guys?
Thanks to you.
Good. Are you driving this one?
No, we're driving the Formula 1.
The Formula 1, which one is it?
This one. Please make sure that you tag us also.
Okay.
Center Road, yeah.
Woo! This is... Jeez. Oh, this is so aggressive. And then this one?
It's the elegant moped.
Yeah. Which one would you pick though? Like which one?
The baby.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Cheers, guys. Do you have a YouTube or anything or social media?
No, we just at Audi Center Road, yeah.
Audi Center Rivonia, guys. Make sure you check them out. Wow, is that an M340i? M340i. Ah, bruh. Hit it again. He knows how to do it. Guys, this is an M3. Catch that. Yeah. Cheers, guys. How's it, bro? Good. You also have a YouTube channel. I see you have some good.
It's your boy JJ from Carnage HQ. You know the name of the face on the vibes. Play with the vibes, mate.
Support like our YouTube, guys. It's a proper thing to do. It's the right thing to do. I'm on YouTube, bro. I'm not sure if it's... People are cooking this. Oh! I want to check out the Ferrari again because, wow. That's the car I want to get when I grow up, you know. When I found out to grow up, no, I'm just a little boy. Ooh, man, if I could just get inside somehow, if he could let me inside a Ferrari. Yo, look at these wheels, damn it, that must be 40-inch wheel. 20-inch, wow. 305, damn it. Hey, money, bro. Oh. Great. Check that engine out. Yeah, these are the people that should be in the Madanga Commission, bro. Like, how do you afford this thing? Yeah, I'm vlogging. We need these people to check that out. This is too much. Yo, look, ceramic brakes, damn it. So massive. Yeah, guys, my XTM. This is like a perfect car, perfect combination. That is. I know the phone, like the speakers don't do justice, guys. These cars are very loud. Shit, that one is... This is my friend's favorite car. M5. That's the 63 down there. That's some down parts and it's much louder than mine. Much louder. There's an M3 there. Yeah, that's the C63. Come on. Now the people, they don't need to flex. That's it. If there's any music I'd rather listen to right now, other than Iceman, it would be this kind of music. Yeah, look, carbon fiber. Ah, bro, 2 seconds, Yana. One more time, one more time. Nah, this pen is not worried about petrol, man. Yeah. Shit. Yeah. Ah, that was massive. That was massive, bro. Damn it. 6M. Ow. How's it, man? The only Godzilla, guys. The Nissan GTR. What more do you ask for? What more do you want? 330. Are we getting some revs? Ew.
So we're getting nothing here.
Yo, look at those exhausts. Yo. This is massive. This is massive. And this is a guy driving it, bro. Imagine this. They can afford a Nissan GTR. This man. Yeah. Sure. Ew.
Am I wrong? Am I wrong? Am I wrong? I'm not wrong.
Ferrari. Ow. As you see, just by blinking. Oh, check this out. This is a Raptor. Raptor. Are those speakers, my bro? Ah, this is crazy. How's it? Do you have social media?
Of course we do. The Matt guys.
The Met guys. Damn, this is crazy. This is crazy, man. Cheers.
Oh, there.
This is a V8 also.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it looks much bigger.
What is the safety? 0%. Yeah.
Perfume, guys. So, yeah. general.
Just follow the general.
Is it good?
I'm going to be the marshal of the line. Can I have all drivers racing? From all stands, guys, we want to do a driver's briefing. So guys are running now. You need to register your name by WhatsApp. Register your name and then you come by me here. We're going to register your name for the official event. So drivers briefing. Can I have you guys here in 10 minutes? And then the guys that are riding their cars, let's test our cars. Let's have fun. But mostly let's be safe. Thank you.
That was crazy there. I didn't think it was gonna catch up, eh? Fuck! X3 is fast.
Green, one is green, and one is yellow. The left one means the green side. The left is for the left. If the green side wins, that means the left side wins, you see a green flag. And if this right side wins, you see a yellow flag. But there's one flagman on the left side of the lake. I'm facing that side. You don't look inside. Drivers, get your stickers and warms up. Get your helmet. Let's start the party.
Hey guys, it's Khatas here.
Tune up!